What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to activate your eSIM on your iPhone. So first of all, you need to go to your eSIM provider. After you purchase a plan, you'll be sent a QR code on your email or on any method this specific provider is using. Once you receive this QR code, you simply want to go to settings on your iPhone, and in the settings here you can find cellular. Just tap on it. And now if you scroll down a bit, here you can see the option to add your eSIM. Just tap on it. And here you have the option to transfer your phone number or the phone number from a nearby iPhone or use QR code. So make sure to tap on use QR code right here. And once the QR code is successfully scanned by your phone, you will be redirected to the activation wizard. So here, activate eSIM, tap on continue. And here it's now connecting to network. And after it does here, you can choose labels for each of your cellular plans. Of course, here you have your primary and secondary phone plan right here. And once you choose, tap on continue. Here you can choose your default line, which is used once you tap on call or send message, the primary or the secondary. So your physical SIM or your physical line and your secondary or your eSIM right here. Or if you have more than one eSIM, tap continue. Here you can choose which of the cellular plans to use with iMessage and FaceTime, so choose whichever plan you want, then tap on continue. And here choose your default line for cellular data, then done. And once you do so, your eSIM will be activated on your iPhone.